Jay Netherton from IWG Corporate Services, and today we are back to the whiteboard and we're talking about what is a family office, why do you need it? So typically a family office is it could be a group of investors, or it could be a family or just one business owner, and they want to continue building their wealth, and they'll buy businesses, privately placed or maybe publicly placed companies, mutual funds, seg funds, stocks, bonds, all that kind of stuff. They'll continue building that out. The version that we run is, in addition to that, is we actually get involved in the administration or management of the company. And so, for example, bookkeeping, HR, strategic planning, executive assistants, marketing, and then also the management roles of that business. So it could be real estate that we're managing, or a business, or a mixture of both. And we get involved in the day-to-day operations. So why would you need that? Well, what people are figuring out is that you don't need to hire 40 people. You can hire one firm that has 40 people, and then we take care of all those responsibilities. And we put them into a nice report for Mr. Business Owner, so he can read this on his yacht or whatever island he's vacationing to, and he knows that everything's taken care of on a weekly and monthly basis. So Jay Netherton from IWG Corporate Services. What is a family office? Why do you need it? Hope that was helpful. If you're in need of help, give us a call, email, comment below. We'd love to hear from you. See you next time.